Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sockeye salmon fillet. It is very easy and simple to make. Actually, it only takes few ingredients. And if you are in a hurry and want to have a quick dinner or lunch, then this is the perfect video for you. And in no time, you will get to enjoy your food. Let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I'm using a wild-caught sockeye salmon fillet. As you can see, I prefer wild caught because it's healthier than the farm raised. So it might be different in price if you buy the wild caught compared to the farm raised. But if you want a better texture and if you enjoy the difference in taste, then you can always try the wild caught. As you can see, there is two fish in one package. And they are big fish too. So I'm cutting them both in two, and then I'll be able to start prepping it before putting it in the oven. So in my baking dish, I'm just going to put my fish, which I've rinsed prior, and I'm adding it and just organizing it to make sure that it fits into my dish. Then once I've organized it, I'm just going to put butter. It's very simple the way you cook it, and then salt and pepper. For my fish, I like to keep it very simple in seasoning so that I can enjoy the taste. So I don't want to overcrowd it with every different seasonings. Just salt and pepper and butter is good enough. In the meantime, I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I'll cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the sockeye salmon is ready. It's very simple, it's that quick. And as you can see, there is a whitish foam coming off the fish because of the way it was baking. So you just scrape that off and you are able to enjoy your fish. I don't even scrape it off as far as I'm concerned. I just eat it the way it is. Very simple, and in no time you have your food and your family gets to enjoy it. This sockeye fillet works well with the potato or gratin that you can also find into one of my video feeds, and it makes a perfect meal. So you should check it out and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to share the videos with others so they can enjoy the recipe too. Until next time, enjoy.